for K1 class. Okay, now you is K1. K1, I would like to call Jang Ai. Good job, Lily. Congratulations. Play picture 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Next is Haley Hu. Good job, Haley Hu. Please receive your trophy. 1, 2, 3. Haley Hu. Thank you. And next is Young Hiro. Good job, young girl. Receive your trophy and take picture. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, young girl. Next, I will call Lo Shufei. Lo Shufei. Well done, Shufei. Take picture 1, 2, 3. One more time. Thank you, Shufei. Next is Lucy Mai. Good job, Iman. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Nice, Iman. Thank you. Now I will announce the winner. The third winner goes to Hanson Heart. Good job, Hanson Heart. Parents, please stay back. At the end of the event, we will have the photo session together. Okay, I hope you can cooperate with us. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Hanson. Second winner goes to Young Holly. Congratulations. One, two, three, Holly. Hold the coffee. Good job, thank you. And the first winner goes to Alisa Marketing from Alisa. Congratulations.